welcome back to our channel. My name is Kate.
And I'm Alex.
And we are in our awesome Airbnb in Toronto.
Yeah, we recently uploaded a video trying Canadian candy and all the comments, not all of them, you know, that's an exaggeration.
Well, no, it's because within the video we got sent Tim Hortons coffee.
Beans. Yeah.
Obviously, when we get sent candy boxes, we can't really try anything too fresh.
Yeah.
So we thought while we're here exploring, why don't we go to Tim Hortons and try what they've got on their menu. So we're gonna head there now and see what they've got. Let's go. Hey guys, so we have arrived outside Tim Hortons. Super excited to go in, aren't you?
Yeah, I've heard so much. It's like a Canadian institution, so I can't wait to see what's inside.
I just don't think we could come to Canada without going and checking it out. Do let us know in the comments down below. Are you a Tim Hortons fan, or are you someone who thinks it's a bit,
Yeah, and we're gonna try buy as much as possible in that.
Yeah, let's go.
This is the moment, it's exciting.
Oh, so I was not expecting there to be screens up there, were you? Oh, they do poutine here. I was not expecting it to have proper meals. I thought it was just coffee and pastries. This is awesome. Oh my word, donut sticks. Look at those honey dip and strawberry Timbits. Oh my word. Look at those donut sticks, Al.
They look so good.
So one sandwich, one poutine, one Jolly Rancher, and one Alpina.
Yeah.
Okay?
Perfect.
So can I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Alex.
Alex, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here, we have sat down and we've got our food.
Got a coffee, Tim Hortons coffee.
And I have got a Jolly Rancher slushie. That looks good, doesn't it?
Should you try the slushie first?
Yeah.
Are you going to try the coffee?
Probably not.
I need it to cool down first. I'm not a big, like, mega hot coffee drinker.
Whoa.
It's a, like, really strong flavour.
Very sweet.
Has it got the bits in it as well?
It's got crunchy bits in it, and they are literally Jolly Ranchers.
Are they?
It's literally crunchy bits of Jolly Rancher. It's a very sweet slushie.
So sweet.
But the initial sip was so strong. But actually, I'm used to it.
When we used to have slushies at home, it was like strong for a bit and then it would dilute, whereas I feel like that's going to be strong the whole way. And those crunchy bits are so good.
Wow. They're almost like tangy.
We also got the Tim Hortons Beyond Burger. Apparently it's brand new, so we thought we should try it out. We've also got the Tim Hortons poutine as well.
I love the little branding, and you've got the Canadian maple leaf there. Isn't that cool? Let's go. Oh dear, you have to get the screen.
Flick out everywhere.
Whoa.
That looks pretty epic. Is it good? I love chips and gravy, so I'm excited for this.
It's a thick gravy, so that's so good.
And it's a thick chip, it's not a chip, it's like a wedge, isn't it?
Hold on, is that chip wavy?
Looks like it.
It's got seasoning on. That light from the window just makes my hair look so frizzly.
That's so good. Like, I'm sure there's better poutine in Canada or Toronto even, but
this is a good
the fact that you can pick this up in what's basically like a coffee shop is amazing. It's kind of like a mix between a coffee shop and a fast food shop.
This is what I'm confused about, because I thought Tim Hortons was literally just a coffee shop that had some pastries, but here we are with a burger. You can get meals, breakfast meals, snacks inside.
I'd say it's more like McDonald's in the UK than it is
it's more like a
Starbucks. So good, isn't it?
What are you giving that?
The problem is, I've never tried any other poutine, but I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. It is so good.
Oh, well, first time I tried it, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I feel like every time I walk past a Tim Hortons now, I'm just going to want to get this.
So good.
Oh, it's like a little baggy thing. Okay, so we've got the bun. Ooh, look at that sauce. I'm guessing that sauce is vegan if this is a plant-based burger.
Yeah, it must be.
We got what looks like mayo, almost like a tomato sauce there. Burger, tomato, and cheese. I'm in love with these. good.
It's good, isn't it?
This reminds me of what a quarter pounder used to taste like in McDonald's. This is amazing!
So good, isn't it? And people said we were going to be underwhelmed by Tim Hortons. I don't think so. You can tell we like it. The burger is almost gone, and so's the poutine.
That burger was insane, and so was the poutine. Poutine?
Poutine. Someone will tell us in the comments.
And this slush with it is so good. At first I thought this was way too sweet, but now it's literally perfect.
Good start, Tim Hortons. Very good. Now let's see what their sweet stuff's like.
Yeah. In some ways I think I just want another one of those burgers. Okay, change of plan. So just went and realised that they do more veggie meals. They have a Beyond sausage wrap and a Beyond sausage like egg McMuffin, even though we're in Tim Hortons. Anyway, so we were going to get pastry bits and head back, but instead I think let's eat some more savouries and then get some pastries.
You're excited?
Small black coffee and medium lemonade.
I love the red, don't you?
What do you think to the staff here?
The staff are really nice here. She knows the next customer's name, so he's obviously a local, and she just remembers his name. And she remembers your name's Alex. So, oh, what's your name? Because that's Alex. Okay, so round 2. Alex has a new coffee. We've also ordered the frozen lemonade original. They didn't have the blue raspberry.
Looks good though. How is it?
It's not as tart as some, which I prefer. I might prefer a sweet lemonade.
We've been trying to avoid Tim Hortons. We've been here for 2 days now. We knew we wanted to make this video, so we've been avoiding it. But if only we'd known they had such good slushies, we could have been cooling down all these days. Because there's literally one every block.
I literally want to come to Tim Hortons every day now. Okay.
We're Tim Horton combos.
Round 2. I like these bags. They're like a corner.
Oh yeah, it's so cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so is this literally like a McDonald's?
This is literally like a McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffin. Look at the cheese. It's got no sauce in, but we've got ketchup.
Look at this beast.
I think this is awesome that they have plant-based things here.
Options, yeah.
Is there any other fast food chain that does that?
Not that I can think of. Especially in the UK. They're talking about Burger King having the Impossible Burger, but at the moment that's only in America.
Oh, and they're talking about the KFC in England having like a vegan chicken, but apart from that, nothing. Shall I go first?
It has like a veggie patty, but that's about it. How was it? Not as good? Is it weird?
It's like
A bit of spice to it.
it's peppery.
Almost yeah, peppery.
See, this is the first plant-based sausage thing I've ever tried. It's really good though, isn't it? The bun's good. I do think out of this and the burger, I prefer the burger.
Oh, the burger's so much better.
The burger is so much better. That cheese is so good.
It's good, isn't it?
I'm a sucker for that sliced cheese.
Open this bad boy up.
Okay. I love how it comes in like this box. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, look at that.
I love how there's like a maple leaf on everything.
Yeah, that looks really good. I wonder if there's like a sauce in there. I wonder what that is. Should I go for it?
Yeah, go for it. Is it basically that in a wrap?
It's kind of spicy.
Is it?
It's literally that, but in a wrap. Good.
They've like cut the patty in half to put it in.
Yeah, to put it in.
Yeah. It's really peppery. I don't know if that's the burger or the sauce. That is so good.
It is so good though.
I love the way the wrap is like toasted. So good.
I'm trying to work out if I'd rather have it in the wrap or have it in the burger.
The bun is so good because it's like spongy.
It's so
But there's
soft.
something so good about the wrap. Tim Hortons, you've surprised us. We kind of, after some things people had said, we were kind of expecting it not to be that great, but it's so good, isn't it?
Let's get some pastries and head back to the apartment.
See you there.
Hello. Also, how funny are these shelves? Because they look really empty, don't they? But I love that they have a recycling card and it says waste, paper, recyclables and waste, and they tell you what to recycle. How good's that?
Yeah, this is the worst stacked shelf.
Yeah. But you can buy Tim Horton hot chocolate. Oh, it's empty, obviously, so you don't nick it. And then you've got French vanilla. And that's it. So, first experience went so well, and I feel like that person did that on purpose. First experience went really well. I absolutely loved it. That plant-based burger was insane, wasn't it?
Yeah, so good.
I have a bag of goodies. I'm going to take these back to the apartment and try them there. Got some desserts. Couldn't leave without trying the pastries, could we?
No.
You want a bag? I was not expecting him to give me this.
Full sack.
I thought it was just going to be like a paper bag.
Yeah.
It's a really soft plastic bag. We have a Boston cream pie donut, is it?
Yeah, looks like it.
A Canada Day donut, and then finally some Timbits, which I was really confused why they're called Timbits, but obviously it's Tim Hortons, so it's Timbits.
They're Timbits.
I just didn't associate that.
Is this what we got?
This is what we got, and we went for assorted. You can either get just the flavour you want or assorted. It didn't look like that in the shop.
No, it didn't, did it?
But,
it's had a bit of a.
Oh, this is actually
journey,
just a
hasn't it?
ring donut.
Yeah, with like red and white sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles on
And
top.
then we got some Timbits.
Tim's bits.
I love this little box.
I love the way they've like doodled the feet on.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Now you can buy these little Timbits in 10, 20 or 30, I think it is.
If you got 30 and went back to the office, I feel like you'd be
the best.
really popular. I tried the coffee. It was good. Like if you just want a good standard coffee, it wasn't like mind-blowing.
Yeah.
It was just good.
If you're just wanting coffee.
Yeah.
I think we should
Dad
try.
would love it.
Yeah,
if we had Tim Hortons, it was $1.55.
Oh yeah,
was it?
something so cheap.
For like a regular. Dad would love that because that's one of his pet peeves. Is that you can't just get a regular coffee for like a decent price.
Yeah. For this, for the 2 donuts and 10 bits, it cost us $5.17, which I don't think is bad at all. I think that's pretty good.
I think that's really good.
So we've got an assorted box here. I know these ones have got jam in, so do you want to grab that bottom one there?
That's jam as well, isn't it?
And there was only 2 of these.
Really? It's that real powdery.
Lots of jam.
sugar. Loads of jam considering the size of it. I'm not a big fan of the dough.
Not the best donut I've had.
It's like not
It's quite
very
dry,
killer.
isn't it?
Yeah.
See, considering I thought Tim Hortons was more of a pastry thing, I think we're going to end this video me liking the hot
food.
stuff more than this.
Yeah.
Okay, so should try like a chocolate one?
Yeah. I mean, that's almost not like dough, that's like sponge, isn't it?
It's like a sponge ball.
What's it,
I think
cinnamon?
this here is just original. Should I bite half for you?
Yeah. And then shall I bite cinnamon?
That's original.
That's cinnamon, it's not very strong. What is that?
Oh, maybe it's not cinnamon. Doesn't look like cinnamon.
Kind of does by the end.
No, original. Okay, out of that, my favourite is just the original.
Yeah, so good, isn't it?
Some of them, not so great. I was a little disappointed. I think, have you guys ever
Chocolate
had...
is like a sponge cake.
like sponge cake. Have you guys ever had Krispy Kreme donut holes?
Yeah, so good.
They're really good.
Hopefully, because this is like an original donut, you'll like this.
Oops.
Is it good? Sounds crunchy. Real crunchy.
I really do think their hot stuff is much better than this.
So much better.
It's just a little dry. But their cabinet is open at the back, isn't it? Is that better?
Mm.
More going on?
I think because it's got some filling, so it's still like quite moist. It's not too chocolatey. The sponge is nice enough, the dough even, it's nice enough that it works well with the flavours.
That is so much better than the Canada Day.
Yeah.
And that custard in the middle is really nice.
Really.
Sometimes the custard can be
Very nice.
like So what I have learned is if I go to a Tim Hortons again, I'm definitely getting a burger and a slush.
Yeah, a frozen lemonade or
Yeah. And if I
Jolly
do
Rancher.
want to get a fresh thing, maybe I'd get original
Timbits.
Timbits. But yeah, I really enjoyed that and I'm so glad we finally got to go to a Tim Hortons.
Yeah, it was epic.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed watching that. Do let us know in the comments down below, are you a big Tim Hortons fan? And what is your order, your go-to order? I'd love to know. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed watching and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.
See ya.